Who doesn't love a delicious chocolate chip cookie? If you love them as much as I do, then stay with me till the end to show you the secret technique to create amazing chocolate chip cookies. I took this simple recipe to the next level by adding a crunchy twist with a fusion of nuts and almonds. Get ready to be amazed with every bite. Stay tuned as I will prepare the best recipe for chocolate chip cookies. Now let's start with the fun part, making those tasty cookies. Start by adding a room temperature egg to a large bowl. Pour 150 grams of white sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Use a hand mixer to mix it until it gets a bit foamy. This looks just right. Add 100 grams of butter that's at room temperature. Mix it well until everything is blended. Don't forget a spoon of vanilla essence for the nice flavor. Now sift 185 grams of flour, 10 grams of cornstarch and 10 grams of baking powder over the wet ingredients. Mix it gently with a spatula to avoid making a mess in the kitchen. I know, I am extra careful. Then use a mixer to make it smooth. Add 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can add up to 200 grams or based on your taste. Add 50 grams of nuts and 50 grams of almonds for that lovely crunch. Cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. If you enjoyed it till now, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, check our affiliate links in the comment section below. The time in the fridge is over. Now the chocolate chip cookie mix is ready. With an ice cream scoop, form 9 balls from the obtained dough and place them on an oven tray lined with baking paper. A very important aspect is the space between the cookies. Spread apart so they will have room to expand. Now roll the dough in the perfect balls, just like I am doing now, for a perfect shape of our cookies. For an extra chocolatey kick, put some more chocolate on top. Yum yum yum. And now in the preheated oven, they go for 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. This is my favorite part when I'm baking cookies. Look how beautiful they are. As a chocolate chip cookie bakes, it changes from a lump of dough to a golden brown delight. The edges become crispy and the chocolatey inside become gooey. The top of the cookie breaks a little and smells delicious. When the cookies are ready, they should be golden brown on the outside and slightly lighter in the center, with visible bites of chocolate sprinkled throughout. Well, our chocolate chip cookies are ready. Now take them out and let them cool in the tray for at least 2 minutes. I know, it's very tempting not to take them right away. But look, soft inside, crispy outside, those cookies have the best of both worlds. And the taste, oh my god, chocolate, nuts and a hint of almonds. It's a delightful combination. I really love it. So, how did your chocolate chip cookie turn out? I love to know. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And of course, subscribe for more inspiring recipe and culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us today in this delicious journey. Until next time, happy baking!